Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Bob DiMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob from Naples, Florida, and Westlake, Ohio. Tremendous questions. Dr. Bob, I work shifts that start at 3 p.m. and I go 12 hours and I crave salty and sweet. And you want to know what you can do to get more energy. Probably your adrenal glands are exhausted. Anytime that somebody craves salt and sugar, they probably have adrenal fatigue. I would minimize or eliminate sugar and fruit. Have someone take your blood pressure sitting and then standing. If your blood pressure drops, you need some adrenal support. We use a product called ADB5. It's Alpha, Delta, Bravo 5. 2 in the morning, 2 at noon will help you. Dr. Bob, I have a rare disease, and this is my 3rd month of taking a medication called IVIGS. And you don't have any energy. And I looked this up a little bit, and it does take energy out of your body. I don't know enough about that particular drug and or what kind of a problem that you're having. You may consider having a consultation with me so we can see exactly what's going on in your body. Oftentimes when we have autoimmune problems, individuals may in fact have parasites. Dr. Bob, would someone with hemoglobin disease have more problems carrying oxygen? And the answer is yes, because your red blood cells carry oxygen. Now there's a lot of reasons not to have enough iron for the red blood cells. It could be poor digestion, might not be enough iron, you might be missing cofactors, including a digestive enzyme, B6, magnesium. I would recommend a CBC with a differential. Have a consultation. We'll see what we can do to help make a difference. Dr. Bob, why limiting broccoli and cruciferous vegetables in regards to thyroid health? From my observation, one of the leading causes of subpar thyroid, not enough iodine. Only 14% of the patients and people in the world consume their 5 to 6 servings of vegetables and fruits every day, but 1/3 of the world has subpar thyroid. Eat your steamed broccoli, cauliflower, but make sure you have enough iodine. How can I improve body temperature? You want to fix the thyroid gland. It has everything to do with body temperature. There are a lot of ideas about memory loss. What I would like to have your opinion. Well, I'm going to be releasing in the spring Dr. Bob's Drugless Guide to Mental Health. You could have memory issues from lack of zinc, a lot of inflammation in your body, not enough vitamin B12. You may consider having the omega test to evaluate the amount of DHA in your brain. Avoid sugar and stress. Sugar will take those vital nutrients out of your body. Stay tuned. Dr. Bob, what causes acute tendonitis of the ankle? And how can it be treated and prevented naturally? Usually people with tendonitis need B6. They need omega oils like omega-3. You may consider the omega test. And oftentimes a need for calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And we use a product called BioCMP. I take 4 every day. Helps prevent cold sores also. Dr. Bob, I'm struggling with anxiety. It's been a couple weeks and I've had difficulty sleeping, and while I sleep, sometimes I feel tremors in my upper back. Would going to a chiropractor help? First, anxiety oftentimes is a mineral and a B1 deficiency. If you find a skilled chiropractor, it would obviously help. You also want to have some blood chemistries to find out exactly what levels you might be deficient in your body. Dr. Bob, what are your thoughts of sparkling water? I'm having more and more patients who consume 3 or 4 sparkling water cans every day have calcium deficiency. I'm just learning this because people are switching from soda to sparkling water. Last question. I watched your video on Celtic sea salt, and I have the recipe, and you added some baking soda. I'm saying to you, to your formerly wanted to know if I agree with baking soda. I would have your saliva pH checked. You do that for a week or 2. If your body is becoming alkaline, you're not going to absorb all of your nutrients. Tremendous questions. This is Dr. Bob DiMaria.